Creators, is this thing on? Oh my gosh, guys, I have the best news. Now, you guys have been inboxing me. Some of my old clients have been reaching out, and more education is needed. And I hear you loud and clear. Some people are looking for brand deals, affiliate markets, branding pitches. Some people are looking to monetize new platforms like X or YouTube. So I put together a community on Skool that I would love for you to join. And once we get on the community, I'm going to actually create a self-paced course. That's right. You don't have to worry about me overwhelming you with information. Oh, you need to do this, you need to do that. No, you will be able to go at your own pace and set up your account and monetize your platforms the way you want. That's right. You'll be able to monetize Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and X or Twitter and TikTok. Plus, I'm throwing in a bonus where I'll teach you about branding 101 on all platforms. And I do it myself. So I give you the latest information that is up to date. That's right. Also, I'm going to give you a little bit of information too about getting a rate sheet. Yes, that's right. You need a rate sheet so you can know what to charge companies when they email you and want you to create content for their brand. Yeah. Plus, we're going to learn about invoicing them. Invoicing them so they can know how to pay you. Also, I'm going to be teaching you about product placements and how you can actually get your foot wet without having so much investment on your part. So, are you ready to level up your content? Plus, we'll do a little bit of editing. Let me know. Join Skool right now. Join my community. And don't be afraid to come in there and introduce yourself. I love you, cousins. I'll see you later. All right, cousins. All you got to do is search Welcome to the Nash House by Dami.com. You'll go directly to my website. Scroll down. When you see that picture, you know it's me. And click on Become a Monetized Creator on Skool. Once you click that link, it'll take you directly to our community. The classes will be uploaded shortly. Just make sure you go in and introduce yourself. I love you, cousins. I'll see you later.